This video shows what is in Track of the Day. Have fun! Track of the Day is a Windows application that can be found in the Microsoft Windows Store. Mac users can use this application with systems such as Parallels. Track of the Day allows the planning and management of hiking routes, cycling routes, super curvy motorcycle routes, fuel-saving car routes, and even routes that can be safely used with large motorhomes, trailers, and trucks. The user interface can be freely enlarged and reduced. On tablets, automatic switching between landscape and portrait mode is possible at any time. Tracks, routes, and POIs can be imported from devices that support the GPX format. Of course, export is also possible. Import and export can be done via a USB cable. When planning routes, city names, addresses, geolocations, points of interest, and even photos can be used. Routes can consist of many segments. There are no limits such as Google Maps. Converting finished tracks into routes and editing them is a breeze. Each route can be freely divided or merged with other routes. There is the following route and the orange route, which greatly simplifies the planning of complex trips. Thanks to the Streetview integration, you can easily find the best locations during route planning. Users of Garmin devices can use AutoShaping. Start and finish are thus automatically via points, all other route points initially shaping points. If a break is scheduled for an en route point, it automatically becomes a via point. Shaping points are cool because they are automatically skipped during navigation. You want to manage the shaping point yourself? No problem, there is a manual mode. Users of Komoot, MIA, Calimoto, Kurviger, and some other platforms can use the integration in Track of the Day to open and edit and export existing routes in Track of the Day without detours. Plan with Calimoto and use Zumo XT on a Garmin without a subscription, no problem. Plan with Komoot and use without a subscription with a bicycle computer, no problem. Routes can also be scheduled with Google Maps and opened as a GPX file with just one click. The reverse way is also possible. Users of TomTom devices can add routes to TomTom MyDrive without detours and send them to their TomTom Rider 500 over the internet. With the QuickRouting, distances can be easily measured and distances can be determined approximately. In this way, initial ideas for exciting adventures can be easily developed. Round trips can be created more easily than ever before. Only one map section has to be selected. New round trips can always be generated automatically. The start of a round trip can be determined individually at any time. KAKIMOTO is the hard-working Chinese super curve assistant. KAKIMOTO can always create new motorcycle adventures for you. Unlike the algorithms of TomTom, MRA, Kurviger, Calimoto, and many other supercurve generators, KAKIMOTO is capable of learning and can be trained by you so that it plays out its superpowers as it suits you. With usual route planners, the length of a route is always limited. The special software architecture of Track of the Day, on the other hand, allows the planning of routes of any length. Routes can be divided into many segments. A routing profile can be freely assigned to each segment. Unlike Calimoto and other platform shapes, you can design all routing profiles yourself and edit them completely freely. Daily stages can be easily selected, edited, and exported via the route overview. Routes can be automatically converted to ITN format. This means that turning instructions are also possible on TomTom devices. When exporting, POIs can be integrated into routes. Navigation devices such as the BMW Motorrad Navigator then automatically display these POIs while driving. Of course, user-defined POIs can also be exported. If you use a Garmin device, you can even use proximity alarms. In addition, icons and photos can be displayed in custom POIs on Garmin devices. The routing overlays of Track of the Day can be displayed like a watermark in each map. You want to drive the route of the Grandes Alps, but do not know its course? No problem, there is a routing overlay to it. In the shop of Track of the Day you will find many free overlays and there are always new ones added. You can also create routing overlays yourself. This makes it very easy to display route suggestions from Calimoto, for example, as a watermark in your own map material. So you have a valuable help for planning your own individual adventures. More than 20 different card styles will help you plan. There are road maps, aerial maps, hiking maps, bicycle maps, riding maps, transport maps, topographic maps, weather maps, artificial maps, and also maps showing petrol stations, closures, and the current traffic situation. The map views can be adapted to your personal preferences and freely designed. The integrated raster tile system supports local tile servers as well as tile servers from MapTiler, OpenStreetMap, Google Maps, and many others. Map material can be buffered locally so that the map display works quickly and smoothly at all times, even with slow internet connections. With the 3D Terrain Viewer, 3D maps are available as in Google Earth. The 3D viewer can also display and animate tracks and routes. Fog, buildings, and the position of the sun can be easily simulated. In addition to the mouse and touchpad, pen and touch input with the fingertips are also possible when planning the route. All 64-bit tablets with Windows 10 and 11 are supported, so you can plan in detail at home on a high-performance PC with multiple monitors and select routes on the go, on devices such as the Microsoft Surface, and transfer them to your navigation device. Microsoft Surface tablets are amazingly powerful and often cost less than an iPhone. The The integrated SQL database is the memory of Track of the Day. All tracks, routes and POIs can be stored here and found again at any time. You want to import your places from Google Maps? No problem. Track of the Day supports CSV, GEO-JSON, KML and KMZ in addition to GPX. The Apple HEIC format is also supported. Thus, iPhone photos can be easily imported as POIs. Direct import from Apple iCloud is also possible. Each geocoded photo is automatically converted to a POI. Of course, geocoded photos can also be imported directly from a phone, memory card, or other storage media. You need an intro for your travel documentation? No problem. Animated videos can be rendered from all tracks and routes in 4K resolution. In the virtual cockpit you can display distance, speed, time and altitude. You can even integrate photos with impressions of your travels. Track of the Day speaks 11 languages, which can be freely selected at any time. You can find Track of the Day in the Microsoft Windows Store app. There is the free edition and the Pro edition. The Pro edition was used to create this video. The free edition can be extended to a Pro edition with the Pro license. If the Pro license has expired, the free edition is automatically available again. Thank you for watching and have fun with Track of the Day.